Let's be real, AI tools can get expensive fast. But here's the good news. I just found a bunch of totally free AI tools that let you create awesome videos, images, audio, and more without spending a dime. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find them and how to use them. I'll walk you through a few free AI image generators, video creators, and even some text-to-speech tools so you can start building amazing AI content on a budget of $0. These tools were all free at the time I recorded this, so now's the perfect time to try them. Let's dive in and make something magical without breaking the bank. All right, the first free AI tool I'm going to talk about is Text-to-Speech OpenAI. This is a really good free AI tool to record voices, make your narrations, etc. All you do basically is put your text in here in this area, and then you choose your voices over here. If you want to listen to any of them, just click here on the sample buttons, and then you can actually hear what they sound like. You can also search for them based on various factors, so you can come through here and choose whatever you need. So that's really good. Once you've got your text information in here and you've chosen your voice, just make sure when you do choose your voice that you click on it and highlight it like this. That way you'll know your voice is chosen correctly. You can also choose accents if you want, but once you've got your text here and your voice is chosen, all you do is click on Create Speech and then download it. So it's very, very easy to use. Okay, the next text-to-speech tool I'll show you is right here. Go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Click on that. Once you get in here, go to Generate Media, and then choose Speech Generation right there. Click on that. Then you can choose single speaker or multi-speaker. Basically, you can put what you want up here. You can change this however you want. For example, if you want them to whisper or if you want them to be dramatic or silly, you change that here. You put your text information right in here, and then you come over here to choose your voice. To choose any of the voices, if you want to listen to them, just click on these triangles and you can actually hear them speak. They have quite a few to choose from, so just click on the voices you want. Once you find one you like, click on it and make sure it's highlighted like this. Then, once you've got your style instructions here and your text in here for whatever it's going to say, and you've chosen a voice, then all you do is click Run. It does a really nice job. You can even add instructions in here like giggle or laugh or something like that, and it does a really good job adding a little more emotion into your narration. It's definitely one of my favorite new finds. All right, now we're going to talk about free AI art generators. For the first one, I want you to go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Once you do, you're going to see this, so click there. Now you'll be inside here just like this, so go to Generate Media and click on that. And the image generator we're going to use is going to be this one, so click right here. Then you put your prompt here. I've already got one prepared, let's try it. I'll put it there. Over here, you can choose your aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 and click Run. So notice up here it mentions it's limited free quota, but it is free. Okay, now it's running. Oh, very cool, that is so nice. You can see a larger view by clicking there. And look at the detail. Amazing! And if you want to download it, click here. Or you can click here to download it. Okay, and that's all you do to use this. It makes super, super nice images with really good quality. Let's try just one more. Give me a second to get another prompt. All right, so we'll change this up. We'll put the image prompt right there and keep everything else the same over here and click Run. There it is. Wow, that is really nice. Just look at the detail. So I'll download it, and once you've done that, you're good to go. So that's how to use the art generator here inside Google AI Studio. All right, and here's another one that I really like. This is PicLumen. PicLumen is completely free. It has a premium version also you can join, but for this video, I will focus on the free version. To create, you come over here, click on this button, and it'll open up something like this, and basically you just kind of work your way across. You put your image prompt in here, so let me go grab a prompt. You can go to the prompt helper if you want to add other things. You can choose some of these options if you want, such as image reference. You can also choose some of these other styles. Let's try this one. Then just keep working your way across the top. We'll choose the PicLumen option here, but they do have several new ones now that you can choose from, and each of them will tell you what they are when you click on them. I'll stick with the basic one. You can choose 1 or 2 images. I'll choose 1. You can also choose your size, and there's lots of them in here. I'll just keep it on 16 by 9 and then click right here. So here's my prompt. You can also click up here and check out advanced settings and more. You can download it here. There's a lot of other things we can do here. For now, I'll just download it. So that's really, really nice. It does great work. So that's PicLumen, and if you want to use this, you'll also have a gallery of all the past images you've made and lots of different tools to use. This is a really, really good free AI image generator to try. All right, and the next one we're going to talk about, which is absolutely my favorite of all of them, is ImageFX. It is excellent. I use it all the time, and I really, really like it. So basically, to use it, you start up here, you put your prompt there. If you want to choose from any of these styles, you can add them. Let's use it. I'll put my prompt there. If you want to add any of these extras, such as watercolor, you could add it. You just click on it. But for right now, we're just going to delete that because I don't want it for this image. All right, and then you keep on working your way down. Click on settings down here. You'll have a seed number. You can click this if you want to have more consistent images, and I've talked about that in a lot of my other videos, but for now I will just state that it is here and that's what it's used for. You can also choose from many different choices of aspect ratio. I'll stick to landscape. Once you're ready to run it, basically you just click on the create button. It creates 4 images at a time, and these are all free in such incredibly nice quality. It is an amazing tool, so if you haven't tried it, definitely come in here and give it a shot because you won't be upset at all by the quality you get because they are all just really, really good. If you want to see them larger, just click on one and then you can see them here, so this is really cute. Let's try one more. All right, so I'll get rid of this. I'll replace it, and again, if you want to choose any of these, you could. I think I will add sketchy. That one always gives me really good images when I use it, and I'm just going to leave everything down here as is. So I'll come back up here and click on create, and you'll see up here it'll keep a running content of how many you're making. So this is the second one I've made this session. All right, so here's the images, so you can click on it to see more. It's just amazing. You can download it here. And for example, if I want to create some more images like this, here's what I would do to create consistent characters. This particular tool makes consistent characters really well. Since I like this style really well, I'm going to lock this. And I'll go back up here and make a small change right there, but other than that, I kept everything else the same. I'll click on create, and then the new images should look almost exactly like the others style-wise. And here you go, you can see that it looks very similar to those others. So this AI tool is just my all-time favorite. Everything I try in here turns out really good. So if you haven't used it before, give it a try. All right, let's explore a few free AI video generators. One interesting tool to use is Google Whisk. Here it is, let me show you it really quick. Scroll down here and you can see some of the images and videos people have made. For example, if you click on this, you can see the details. The image and video quality is really, really good. All right, I'm already logged in, so I'll enter the tool. If you're using it for the first time, it'll give you a short tutorial on how to use it. You can transform images into short videos just by clicking animate. You get up to 10 free a month. Okay, so let's get started. I've already got a prompt and I'll put it here. You could also use an image, but for this example, I'll use this text prompt. You can also choose things like best quality, etc. Choose your aspect ratio here. For now, we'll go with this, and we'll see what it gives us. It makes 2 at a time. So these images are pretty good. If you wanted to refine that, you could. Basically, you just click here and then tell it whatever changes you wanted to make. I'll choose this one and click on this animate button. I'll continue when it's done. Okay, that took maybe 45 seconds. Let's watch it. You can see the stream moving down here, and he is waving. The leaves aren't moving, but the water is. So nice job. Click right here to download it. Always download these before making any others, but that's how you do it. You put your prompt here, or your image. Then once you get to this section where you've actually got the images done, all you have to do is to click this animate button and give it an action prompt, telling Whisk what to do. For the second video generator, I'm going back to Google AI Studio. Once inside, click on Generate Media, then click on Veo, and it will bring you into a very easy-to-use format like this. You can see right up here, it does have limitations on how many you can make a day. Right now, I think 5 to 7 or so is probably the most per day, but they are free and they're not watermarked. By the way, there is no sound included with either of these tools when making videos. You can make 1 or 2, choose your aspect ratio, and then 5 to 8 seconds, so I'll leave it like that. You can add a text prompt right here, or in this case, you can add an image. And that's what I'm gonna do this time. I'll upload an image, and there it is. Pay attention to this, it does not support images with children. Click here when you're ready. And now it's making the video. All right, there's the finished video. You can also see a large view. Click there. Now let's watch it. Look, you can even see the reflection from the window on its face, so the detail is quite amazing. All right, click here to download. And notice no watermark, so I definitely encourage you to come in here and try it out. And that's how simple it is to use this amazing animation tool inside Google AI Studio.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.